Hello everybody, Tanisha here, coming to you guys with my participation in the Unboxing a Plan Secret Swap. You will see the host on the screen for more information about this swap and additional information about the group that I am in that conducted this swap. You can go ahead and check the pinned comment or the description box below and visit my blog, and you will learn all about what I'm talking about and information about those who participated in the swap. I'll have all those videos there. There's also a corresponding playlist as well, and you will be able to have access to that. So I thought this would be a fun way to get to know other ladies. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This is my box here. And you filled out a form and you were able to say like what you liked and I guess like your favorite colors. So, I think now I'm assuming that these are for the kids because I do have 3 kids. So these are some Kinder Joy cocoa egg thingies. Is this candy or is this a toy?
Candy. I think it comes with a toy inside of it.
Toy inside candy. All right. And as you see, my cameraman, can you see him good? My cameraman is helping me out. My cameraman is Bear. So we have 3 of those. I'm assuming those are for the kids. You know what? I should just read this first. This is on top.
Very thoughtful.
Let me be obedient and see if this is the order. Because, I don't really, again, this is my first swap. So it says, expect great things. Oh, that's cute. Expect great things from God. Attempt great things for God. That's William Carey that said that. And Tanisha, you are a blessing. I love your spirit and how you want to help and encourage other home educating moms. I hope you have a successful, wonderful, fun-filled school year with your kids. Looking forward to seeing where God leads you this year. Much love, Darlene, the recycled mom. Oh, I know who that is. So yay, she's really sweet. And I will also put a link to her channel aside from all the other links as well below. And again, check the pinned comment. That will take you to the blog post that has everybody's stuff. And then she put this really cute 10 things to always remember and 1 to never forget card. That is so sweet. I put something like this in mine too. So that's awesome. So let's see what Darlene sent. I wonder was I supposed to open that last? See, I need instructions. That's why I don't be participating in these things because
Just in a box of instructions.
Yeah, I need like instructions to know.
First, open envelope.
Yeah, I need to know what I can and how to
Second,
open stuff.
open box.
I don't want to go outside of the order. So this says, sip, relax, sip, relax. Oh, it's what is this called?
Coaster.
A coaster. He got a young brain, y'all. He's helping his mom out. Oh, and these are little cards. That's so sweet. Oh, look at this. This is something, I wanted to get this, the Supermom accessory book, and I wanted to buy this, and I didn't. Because, see, now, I don't know how everybody else shopped. That's another thing I found hard about doing the swap. Because I was like, I got to buy 2 of everything, because everything I sent, I wanted. So, I bought my person a little something, and I bought me some stuff, too. But I was going to buy this to send to my person, but I didn't. Because then I would have had to buy 2, and I wasn't going to do that. So, that's really sweet. Something for you, something for me. That's how I shop. I wonder if everybody else did the same thing. Some tissues for those moments that make you cry. Oh, make it happen. These are list pad sheets. And wordplay book. Oh, I like these. I think these are really fun, especially do warm-ups with the kids. Oh, this is cute. Living my best life. Adorable. The only thing that I will do with this one is I will color those arms brown and I will color that hair burgundy. And it says, you got this, Darlene, the recycled mom. Cute. Oh. Just put on your favorite lipstick and deal with it. Cute. And yeah, I will make this one a Mocha Girl too. So how I do that is you just take your permanent marker and I like to use it as a watercolor method. I would just do several dots and then watercolor it to blend it out, and that will change your complexion on anything. Oh wait, there's something under here That's something
She's digging down deep in the jungle.
I know, right? I don't want to not see something because then I won't know. This says for the kids. Oh, that's sweet. So she sent y'all some incentives. You know, my little ones love stickers. It's lovely. And it looks like she's a happy, funny girl, too, because I recognize these stickers on here. And this is washi tape. I know washi tape from a mile away, honey. Ooh, these are fruit-scented glitter pens. So that should be fun. You like fruit-scented stuff. And more washi tape. I love washi tape. This are some Jock gel pens. These are cute. I like that they're neon. Hold on, let me make sure because I don't want to say this is it. And then it don't be it. And then she's like, you threw away the gift card for $1,000. That was at the very bottom.
Or for $1 million.
I know, right? You threw away the $1 million. Oh, see something right here. Here it is, the Willy Wonka chocolate bar.
For the golden ticket.
And oh, I have sticky notes. So some cute little sticky notes. Okay, let me check one more time for real because if I miss the Willy Wonka chocolate bar with the golden ticket, I'm going to be upset because everybody wants to go see Willy Wonka.
They don't get to see his chocolate. Or his gobstoppers.
I think that's it. Well, a big, big, humongous thank you to Miss Darlene for all of my wonderful goodies. Not just for thinking of me, but for also thinking of the kids. And you definitely pack a better gift than me because now that I'm realizing it, I don't think I thought about the kids and the gift that I sent. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. But I'm grateful. I'm appreciative. I love gifts. I love that you sent me stuff that I could customize. And I really appreciate your kind words and your reminders. And this really cute card, which is really, really cool. I wonder where she got this from. It says Dayspring. I wonder if she got it from like Mardell or something. So, and I will be putting this in my wallet. I like keeping things like this in my wallet. So that's all I have for you guys. Again, check the goodie box for all the information. And if the goodie box has too much information, then check the pinned comment below. And that will lead you directly to TanishaKemp.com where you can see what I'm talking about and get all the information on this collab, which was hosted by Ingrid and Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles. Bye.